how to set up alerts for loan payment due dates in Truist Online Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up alerts in Truist Online Banking so you never miss a loan payment due date again. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you simply have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your credentials and once logged in, you simply have to click the profile and settings menu at the top and then choose alerts from the option. And there on the alerts page, you simply have to click add alert and you will see a list of alert categories. So from there, simply select loans and payments depending on your account type. And after that, from the list, you can choose loan payment due date and this alert will notify you a set number of days before your payment is due. So there, set how many days before the due date you want to be reminded. For example, 5 days, and then choose how you'd like to be notified, like from email, text messages, or push notification in the Truist app. And once you're done with that, just click save and you will see a confirmation that your alert is active. And after that, you can return here anytime to edit or delete it. And that's it. Now you'll get reminders so you never miss a loan payment with Twist. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.